Hi, I am mortgage consultant Paul Thompson, and this is Realtor John Slocum, and we're with the Vancouver Real Estate Voice. Today we wanted to share some education and information about zero down payment loan products that are out there. And also I wanted to ask you, John, what you are seeing in the real estate market.
Currently, our real estate market in Vancouver is very positive, although it's slightly more in favor of sellers than home buyers. At the same time, the rental market for apartments and homes has a 2% vacancy rate. With such a low availability of rentals, the rental prices are going up. Therefore, we're seeing more calls from first-time home buyers or returning home buyers on zero down home loan options, such as the USDA home loan program. We love these calls because these are great programs to help you get into a home. However, there are cash requirements that do go along with these types of loans to help you purchase the home. And Paul, I hope you can provide more details to our listeners on what those cash requirements are for and why they're important.
Well, thanks, John. And you made some very good points because there are a wide variety of zero down payment products that are out there now. There's the USDA, which we've touched on in the past. There's also the Washington State Home Advantage program, which provides down payment assistance. There's also the NHF Platinum program that also provides down payment assistance in the form of a grant. The USDA, the Home Advantage, and the NHF Platinum are all programs in which somebody could possibly get into a home with zero down payment. But as John was saying, zero down payment does not equate to having zero money in the bank, because not only do you need money to have set aside for putting down earnest money on an offer, but also money set aside for appraisals, for inspections, and in addition to that, there are closing costs involved in every real estate transaction. They vary in amount. They can range anywhere between $5,000 and sometimes up to $8,000. And if an offer gets accepted and a seller, for example, doesn't agree to pay for more than $3,000 in closing costs, you as a buyer are responsible for the remainder. So you're going to need to have money in the bank. In addition to that, even if a seller is covering all of your closing costs, lenders still want to see asset documentation from the buyer, and that asset documentation usually means the most recent 2 months bank statements. Lenders review those bank statements pretty closely, and if they see items on a bank statement such as payroll advances, payday loans, cash advances on credit cards, that is going to be a problem, and that could hold up you being able to qualify for a home loan. So I urge you as a homeowner, when you're out there and you get pre-qualified, make sure you have money in the bank. Even if you do a zero down payment program, and even if the seller covers all of your closing costs, you will need that extra money for when you move into your home, on top of money for earnest money, inspections, appraisals, and also lenders do want to see that there is a minimum amount of reserves in many cases on some of these programs. If you want to ask further information about these different zero down payment programs and how to better get qualified, please give me a call.
Thanks, Paul, for the extra information. This is really a good time to purchase a home. Home prices are going up still, so you don't want to delay your plans. We're very happy to field your questions, provide more information that will help you in your process make a decision and get out there to make a home purchase.
And I would strongly encourage you to give me a call, and we can set an appointment to get you pre-qualified. Interest rates are still at all-time lows, but the lid cannot be kept on these low interest rates forever. Eventually they will climb, and now is as good a time as any to become a homeowner.
Thank you.